Hey people, welcome. Can you guys hear me and see me well? Let me know. I'm starting a slightly earlier. Hey people. So I think the audio is good. But yeah, let me know if you can hear me and see me well. Welcome to the streaming. We are on, what day is it today? April the 26th. April the 26th. And we're about to start a live trading session. We had news at 8:30, so that's the reason why I decided to start the trading session at 15 because so that we have 45 minutes after the news going on. So yeah, how's everybody doing? Welcome to this live streaming. We are about to start. And so I did have a poll yesterday. Let me see if I can find it. All right. So I asked, what strategy do you want tomorrow on the live session for binary? And the majority voted for the 1 minute with Stochastic and RSI. So what I thought we could do is that we could have a longer session with that strategy, and then maybe we can place a couple of trades with the zigzag strategy. Is that good enough for you? Let me know. And yeah, let me know where you're saying hi from. And more importantly, go ahead and smash the like button. Let's just go ahead and send a message from Telegram. And so yeah, smash the like button. I want to see how many likes we can get today. And more people are going to start joining in. But in the meantime, I wanted to start talking to you. I see a lot of questions in regards to copy trading. I don't know if I should allow that. What do y'all think? Do you think I should allow copy trading? What do you think? And pocket option is actually. All right, see people from South Africa, Nigeria. I have the chat in this section. That's why I'm looking at it. And I have the camera right here. Forex trader from United Arab Emirates. Hey man, I'll see you next year in March. I'll be in Dubai again. You should. Should I allow copy trading? What do you all think? What do I get in exchange though? What are you gonna give me in exchange? Uganda, how you doing? Canada, how you doing? All right, let's go ahead and start placing some positions while we talk. Nigeria, how you doing? Market sucks big time today. We're gonna see, well, just by some examples that I'm looking. The thing is that we had news. Let me just go ahead and make my camera smaller. There we go. We had news at 6:30 a.m. and it was big news, minus 0.2%. So we had huge drops on US. There we go. So yeah, but Bitcoin is looking good today. Ghana, for real. I get gratitude from followers. Nigeria, Malaysia, how you doing? Trinidad. US, all right. USA. You go live at different times. Yeah, I go live when I think the market is going to be better. India, Pakistan, Uzbekistan. So we're starting 2 minutes. Pakistan, love you, man. Create a channel membership for those who wants to copy your trade. That could be good. The thing is that if I reveal my ID name, then people are just gonna start copying my trades anyway. Doesn't matter if they're members or not. If someone just shares it over there on Telegram or somewhere, they'll be able to copy me no matter what. So it should be open to everyone, you know. Belgium. What I can do is have the membership section just for live streaming, just like this one, live trading sessions. That can be done. But we're gonna see how it goes today. Usually when I trade live, I don't know. I just everything goes wrong. Most of the times. India. I may go to India. Belgium, Slovakia, the UK. India, how you doing? All right, I think it's about time to start. So we're gonna start with the 1 minute strategy. Let's start looking for some good market conditions, and I'm gonna tell you what pairs we're gonna be looking at, and then this one looks good if it keeps on jumping for a put. Remember that with this strategy, you gotta be fast. Teach instead of copy trading. Yeah, that's what I've been doing, and I think it's good. Tell how to confirm the entry. All right. Are you planning on having again the lifetime membership for the BLW Academy? The BLW Academy right now is actually 100% free. Right now. Moses, yeah. What can I tell you? Please. Okay. If you type in that one more time, that tell how to confirm the entry, I'm gonna have to silence you from the group because I don't like spamming. Hopefully that's clear. We're looking at a call position coming in right now on euro against the US dollar. I'm doing good, Nilish. How you doing? Serbia, how you doing? All right, so we're just waiting for a slightly bigger drop, and I think we'll be good to go. I don't know. All right, it's happening right now. So I'm entering for a call position for 1 minute. I don't know if you guys recall the strategy. If you don't recall the strategy, just go ahead and ensure that you check my oldest videos. Okay. The right session for trading. New York session, I think, is the best. I just got my master app indicator set up yesterday. There's a noticeable difference between my MT4 charts and pocket option charts. Is that normal? Try to see if the pocket option charts are not on OTC, okay? Because sometimes that happens, that you're trading OTC. Other than that, it should be the same. And depends also on what broker you have on the MT4 platform. All right. Hey, how you doing? Oh my God, it's dropping more. All right. All right, we're going to lose the first two positions, I guess. We're going to see the next two. Let me just go ahead and delete this. There we go. Remember, with this strategy, right now, no more entries, though, because the RSI got broken. Please, if you haven't seen the strategy videos in regards to this strategy, go ahead and check them out. Basically, it's just a combination between RSI and stochastic oscillator. 1 minute positions and 30-second candlesticks. That's basically what it is. I have a bunch of videos in regards to it, so go ahead and check them out. So yeah, I'm not gonna have more entries. Remember, in this pair, if I win the 3, I'm gonna be pretty much breaking even. If I win just 2, then I'm gonna be losing slightly. But I'm actually trading with $300 trades with a $22,000 account, so we should be good. All right. So we won at 1, I think. Yeah. So we've won 2 and we've lost 3 on this pair. So let's go ahead and stay away from it. Let me know if anybody entered that trade. All of the pairs seem to be overbought and oversold. It's like nothing is being respected right now. This might be giving us a new entry in a little bit. This one too, but it needs to drop a little more because the RSI hasn't touched yet the 30 level. Okay. You guys smashed the like already? Go ahead and smash the like button. I want to get to at least 50 or 75 likes today. All right, cool. Now the RSI got touched, but the stochastic is kind of, too close together. So we're going to see if it drops more or if it just jumps and I win this one. Just remember that with this strategy, we have more. We have the possibility to have more entries. It doesn't mean you have to, but yeah. Euro USD 110. Awesome. How to copy your trades on bucket option. So far, I'm not allowing it. I was asking you guys at the beginning of the streaming, should I allow copy trading? What do you guys think? But I asked you, what do I get in exchange for allowing you to copy my trades? What do I get in exchange? And someone said the gratitude. That's fine. I mean, I appreciate it. But I don't know. Offer me something good. A Lamborghini or something. Nah, I'm just playing. All right. So we won this one, AUD USD. I'm not sure if you were able to enter because that was pretty fast. But we're still looking for more entries. Look at the payouts always. This one I wouldn't enter as a continuous trend. This one we missed it because we were looking at another pair. This one looks good because it's a downtrend. We got a good payout. And if it touches the RSI on the 70 level, then it will retract. Most likely the price will retract around this level. Around here. Maybe before because the RSI is almost being touched right now. So we just need to slightly jump. I'm going to enter the first one here, but it might jump more so that I can have more entries than that. There you go. Be careful with your entries. Don't enter a lot of time. But yeah, a toy Lambo. I don't have a toy Lambo, honestly. So that would be cool. Just joined Pocket Option Tournament and took a loss. Sorry about that. CCC, what do you mean that? Chris, can you tell me quickly, do you recommend Coinbase? I do, but it's mostly for US people. So I'm not in the US, I don't use it, but it's actually good. Does Pocket Option give you percentage for copy trades? I don't think they do. Euro USD going up. Yeah. I'm going to double anyone initial deposit. What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean. Mason. All right, so we lost the first one. The jump was really strong due to this resistance section. The change in trending is actually happening, I think. So try not to enter anymore. I'm okay losing, but that doesn't mean you guys will have to lose as well. And more importantly, make sure that you fully understand that this isn't financial advice, right? You probably already know that, but Coinbase was very efficient with my deposit. Yeah, I use Binance to be honest, but it's just because I prefer that. All right, that last jump in one last second was kind of weird. I'm not going to judge them, but it was kind of weird. This is something that happens, I don't know, many times when I'm trading live. I don't want to judge them or anything. But yeah, I think those are my last entries because I do think that the price can drop starting off from now in the next candle. But I might be wrong. I'm okay losing it. We're just going to see what happens. And we always keep on looking at more pairs to trade. All right. The thing is that when we have streamings like this, I can't be like monitoring everything. You know what I mean? It's kind of complicated. But I know you guys love live trading sessions like this one. Even when I don't win for some reason. I prefer to trade on my own. I mean, I'm playing for competitive gains. You're goated with your strategy. Thank you. All right. I hope you do good. All right. Euro AUD looks good. The payout is actually good. We're going to see if it actually drops because it's AUD pair. And the other AUD pair that we had, we lost money. Apparently, there's a drop on the Australian dollar. And that's the reason why there's a drop right here. If I lose money, that's fine. I can recover it anytime. But the point is to actually have a live session. So you guys having a good time or what? And make sure that you guys smash the like button. All right. I want to have a bunch of likes on this streaming. If you ask me, I do prefer the 6x strategy. I think it's easier. But let's see what can come up with today. I'm not going to risk much money in this session, honestly. But yeah. There you go. $300 trades is actually good. It's what I've been using. It's what, like 0.1% or something like that. I'm not sure. It's 1%, like 1.2% or something like that. Let's see what happens with the new candlestick. So far, I'm in loss. I trade support resistance for 3 minutes, none less. Awesome. Thank you, Chips. They're running. This time is dumps. What do I mean? It dumps. It's probably due to the pressure of people watching. Not really. All right, we won those two. I think. Did we lose one? Nah, we won him. I would say enter the trades when stochastic oscillator is going down and touching the 80 line and the RSI is going down. Then enter, you will win. Don't buy trades when stochastic oscillator is above the line. Yeah. Everybody has a different theory. You have a crush on me? All right, let's keep on looking at some positions. Yeah, we kind of missed this one. Pocket option is actually faster. Remember, it used to be super slow before. AUD USD looks kind of good. We're not looking at the cross on stochastic yet, so the price might drop a little bit or starts jumping from now. So it really depends. I got a lower price and I got a pretty much stable pricing. By the way, let me know if you guys are trading with me. Let me know if you've placed positions or what. So far, I'm in loss. That's fine. You guys want me to show only wins? I would like to thank you for teaching us. You deserve a great life. Thank you. Does this work in All-In Trade? Yeah, it does. But I think All-In Trade doesn't have 30-second candlesticks. It only has 1 minute candlesticks. Yeah, I don't use Heikin-esky. Sorry, just candlesticks. Have any of y'all experienced same-day withdrawal via Bitcoin? Well, me. I'm not pretty sure if you're asking me. Won 7 out of 11 today using the RSI stochastic and moving average. I learned and practiced from your page. Thank you. Awesome. I'm happy for you. We got one tie and one win. Just saying because I use the same strategy you're using right now. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay, we got the jump. Let's look for another one. All right, beautiful. Euro AUD again. All right. That's another opportunity. We're going to see how that goes. I like the payout, though. 91%. It's always good. We're going to see this one. I think it's a winner. What technical analysis would you recommend learning and following along with the strategy? Look, if you want to get technical, I would say go ahead and manage trending. All right, trending is always good. Trend's your friend. But what happens is that, for instance, when you have a trend, let's go ahead and add a moving average to give an example. You're going to add a 50. What happens with the trend is that whenever it's a downtrend, it's nearly impossible that the price will actually reach this the 30 level on the RSI. And whenever it's an uptrend, it's nearly impossible that the price will actually a downtrend. I'm sorry, it's nearly impossible that the price will actually reach the 70 level. All right, so yeah. Thanks for answering my questions. I'm using Wanda demo and I was trading about 9 p.m. CN, New York time. So I guess it was OTC. Most likely, yeah. Is Quotex as good as Pocket Option? I think, yeah, both of them are great. How often do you go live? I don't know. Whenever I feel like going live. Honestly, I don't have a specific time. What is your cost? I don't have a cost. This is free. Why are you trading on Pocket Option and not Quotex? Because in a little bit, I'll go ahead and trade in Quotex, but with the 6x strategy. So I'm using both. But right now, we're going to finish our session with Pocket. Okay? You see, this is what happens with the trend. It's never going to reach. You see, it reached, the last time it actually reached the 30 level, it was because it was a downtrend. So if you want to get technical, you can use the moving average. But honestly, I don't think that's actually good. What we can do, though, is that we can add another indicator called the Keltner Channel. Some people already know that I have actually used this before. I don't remember what were the settings, to be honest. I think the multiplier was 2. Yeah, that was it. So we can basically trade as well when the candlesticks are outside of the calendar. So we can go ahead and try that. You know that I've used this strategy before. I was from Lady Trader, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not even sure if she's still posting videos, honestly. But yeah, add the Keltner channel. Just go ahead and make the, what was it? The multiplier by 2. And whenever the candlesticks are outside of the Keltner channel, then we can enter a position against that option. You know, like for instance, if it jumps above this area, then we enter a put position. If it drops below this area, then we enter a call position. You know what I mean? It worked like a charm. As a matter of fact, the BLW binary master app was created based on this specific logic, on this analysis. It was a really cool strategy. I actually liked it. Right now, I'm not liking it, but still, it's giving me entry opportunities, and that's always good. Okay. Do you ever use the new 2023 strategy with the 50 SMA and the 2-minute trades with Stochastic and RSI? Which one? I'm confused. I think you mean the one that with the trending, right? I haven't used it in a while. But the strategy that Patrice is actually saying is a strategy where you actually follow the trend, and instead of waiting for the RSI to actually reach the 70 or 30 level, we use it on a 50 level. So what happens with that 50 level is that whenever the 50 level is reached, we enter a position going with the trend. I haven't used it in a while. I know what strategy you're talking about. And right now I'm losing money, man, so hold on. Kind of there. But yeah, I haven't used it in a while, to answer your question. Sorry. Yes, with the trend. I'm moving to Australia soon. Any idea Pocket Option or Quotex will work there? According to what I know, yes, both of them. Where are you in the world? Just wondering. I'm in Guatemala, Central America. Can we use the news and binary options? I wouldn't recommend you to do that, unless you're expert with the news. I'm going to enter one more time. You see, even if I lose one, oh shit, I lost it for like 1 second. I think I have more options to actually win here based on the Keltner. Oh shoot, it's jumping too much. All right. I want to get to like 25 grand, honestly, and that's it. Or like 24, I think it's like $2,000 profit from today. So I think it should be good. If we take too much in just one strategy, then I may have another streaming in the next couple of weeks or days, I'm sorry, with the other strategy. You know, today's markets are very volatile, big movement. I agree, but it's, you know, it's a challenge. It's not the end of the world. Did you know anything about accumulation of power, red-green pattern? Yeah, I learned something, but honestly, I do prefer fundamental and institution analysis instead of just going with certain indicators. The reason why I go with these indicators is because not only they're accurate, but also they're very logic. Okay, so day traders try to push the price down as well, try to push him up as well. So oh shoot, I lose a couple of positions now. All right, and back to 20 grand. All right, our target is actually to make 4 grand for where we are right now. But I think with this indicator, with this Keltner channel, where we can do it. Or should I enter too low? USDCAD I'm trading right now. I'm going too fast because I'm not sending you signals or anything like that. So hopefully you guys understand. Yeah, I'm going to try to do more often these light trades. What are your thoughts about NetX? It's good, but it's only for US traders. So I don't use it. Still struggling to make money in binary options. Any tip to help? Take my academy. Oh, you can also take my other academy, binaryoptionsforbeginners.com. And it's like $20, I think, or something like that. And it's pretty complete. Okay, you can get so much knowledge from that small training. And it's pretty cheap. Greetings from Mexico. Besides the strategies, it would be nice if you share your wisdom about the mentality of a trader. Should I aim to develop? Keep up the good work. Thank you. Luis, I actually have some mentality training in the BLW Trading Academy and also in binaryoptionsforbeginners.com. Also in the BLW Binary Master app. But yeah, I'm going to try to include some of it over here on YouTube. But honestly, like the majority is actually there. All right, I don't know what's going on with the market right now. None of the actual indicators are actually working. So, but we're not going to give up. All right, let's see if this one actually gets respected, all right? Because nothing is being respected at this point. Now I got $7,000 to make. Well, 6,000. Let's see. Do you know any binary option millionaire or who became millionaire by using binary option? Not personally, honestly. What strategy would you say has worked the best for you? This one is definitely in my top 2 or top 3. And the other one is the 5 to 10 minute strategy, the one that I've been using the last few weeks. The number 3, probably, I don't know, the RSI with the stochastic. I'm not sure. It's hard to choose because it all depends on what type of markets you're trading and stuff. So it's kind of hard to decide, honestly. Hello, Christian. If you lose trades, do you enter with the same amount? I always enter with the same amount. I had one tie. That's kind of a bummer. What's your favorite house done trade? New York, London, Asian? You mean the hours of trade? New York session, always. Is the expiration better with 2 minutes? Not really. It's the same. 1 minute, super fast. Yeah, it's a turbo trade. You don't have to answer this, but you're sponsored by Pocket. No, I'm affiliate with Pocket and Quotex. Yeah, like I mentioned in every video. Why don't you trade OTC? Because I don't trust it. It's not real market. I don't know. I don't know if there's someone around the globe. You can Google it. Marcel and the team changed my life. Thanks a million. Awesome. Happy to know that. First time joining live trade. I'm a fan. All right. How many likes do we have? All right. It's over 100 people watching, so there should be more likes. Go ahead and smash the like button, people. Come on. It's free. Let's see if we have more options to enter. It needs to jump more. Kind of missed some opportunities, I think. Yeah, I missed a lot of opportunities, actually. All right, we're going to have to be patient and wait for entries, you know. What's the payout on this? 91. All right. We're going to be patient, all right? Because the other option is to actually have at least 2 charts. Oh, hold on. These 2 charts. But, you know, it's kind of complicated. to be browsing from pair to pair. So yeah, I'd rather stick. When you say that you pick up the strategy based on the market, which strategy goes with which market? Depending. This one goes well with volatility. The 5 to 50 minute doesn't go well with volatility. That's what I mean. Is it bad to use martingale? I don't use it. Some people use it and make money, but I don't use it. So it depends on the taste, I guess. Are you totally against the trading on OTC market? No, not really against. I mean, I've made videos about how to make money with OTC when you don't have the time to trade during the weekdays. But if you can avoid it and just trade the real market, it would be better. I turned 50 into 1,000 6 times. Awesome, man. That's beautiful. I like it. All right. Can you make a video based on technical analysis only? That's basically all the videos that I make. There are a lot of videos on 5-second strategy. Does it really work? Your honest opinion, I haven't really used any of them. And I wouldn't. 5 seconds is like too low. How do I trade without the OTC, for example, AUD instead of AUD? Well, when you actually choose the pairs, the pair says OTC or they don't say anything. When they don't say anything, that's basically the real market. All right. What happened with USDCAD got closed? Keep on looking for entries, man. I haven't found anything in a while. I still am down 6,000. I need to make $6,000. All right. GBP AUD and Euro AUD usually move very similarly. So we might have a couple of opportunities. Shit. It dropped. All right. Never mind. Yeah, it dropped as well. You see? They drop at the same time. All right, there are too many questions. I'm going to try to focus right now on the session, and then we can go ahead and answer some questions. But go ahead and smash the like. All right, we got to get to 100 likes. We've been 30 minutes in this session. $4,000 down. Let's try to make it to 24 grand. $6,000 down, actually. Well, 2,000 from where I started. We're gonna have to be patient and just wait for a pair. The thing is that I don't see anything getting close to. All right, this one looks good, Euro GBP, but it needs to drop more. It needs to be outside of the Keltner. All right. How do I trade without? Okay, that I already answered. Please, I would like to know if you keep changing strategies every day when trading, or stick to one. I usually stick to one. Where can I find your $10,000 to $10,000 sheet? I think that's in the BLW Turbo app. Yeah, the BLW Turbo Strategy. Go to blwturbostrategy.com. All right, I entered too high, but I was waiting for it to drop. Let's see what happens here. What can help me with my psychology for binary option? Please watch it on my videos and take, like I said, the training, binaryoptionsforbeginners.com. How can I get better? Okay, that's the same question. Not easy, bro. What do you mean? Which one? Which one's not easy? All right, hold on. Sorry, just got a call. All right, so we won another one. We're at 19,000. All right, I think we have an option here in the AUD USD. I need to be slightly more aggressive now because I don't want to stick here for like 3 hours trying to make 4 grand. So I'm gonna have to be slightly more aggressive. What is the title or link for the 5 to 10 minute strategy beginner here? Try to look for the latest like 4 videos that I have for binary live sessions, and you will be able to find them. Binary, I like how you do it, but I find it hard to maintain one strategy. It's true, you can have more than one, but my recommendation is just to master one and you're good to go, because every day there's volatility and every day there's a stable market. So you can make money with both strategies and pretty much no time. Because for instance, this strategy, all right, I'm not going to answer more what happens to the market today. This strategy, you can make money in like 20, 30 minutes, pretty much. I mean, if you're not too aggressive. But with the other strategy, you need like at least 1 or 2 hours, because 5-minute candlesticks, it takes a little longer for them to actually reach the entry level. But if you use both of them, maybe today, I don't know, you don't find good entries in the 1-minute strategy, but you find good entries on the other one. You know what I mean? So it's kind of, it really does depend on your schedule and the type of strategy that you end up liking. Because in the end, you need to actually like the strategy that you're trading. If not, it's pretty much, for instance, in Forex, I've seen a lot of strategies that work only with stochastic, with Bollinger Bands and stuff, but nearly no strategy that actually works with institutional trading. And those are the ones that I like. So I prefer trading Forex using institutional trading instead of just, technical analysis. You see? Do you have a video with the zigzag? Yeah, a bunch of. Actually, yesterday I recorded one, but probably is going to be live in a couple of days. Maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. I'm losing money, people. I'm losing money. I'm not giving up. I'm here. People who have been following me for a while, they know that this happens sometimes, that I lose money. But, I always recover. How many hours daily do you trade? Probably like 2 hours. Maybe 4 at the most. I see too many questions, all right? I need to focus here because I'm losing money. I need to recover this. So bear with me. Yeah, the strategy is definitely not being respected, and it's causing me to lose money, but and I misclicked some. I don't know, man. I really want to get to 24 grand today. I'm not sure if I'm going to, or if I'm losing money. I'm not sure. And I need to go in like about 20 minutes. So I only have 50 more minutes to have the streaming. With beard, yeah. Thank you. I don't have that much, honestly, but I haven't shaved in like 3 weeks. All right, I'm back again to 18 grand. I don't know, man. It's like I'm not moving from there. I don't know what's going on. It's crazy. We're going to try to catch this jump in here, but honestly, like I said, not there. It's just not being respected for some reason. We don't have news right now, but the news that happened in the morning were super hard. And so pairs are going crazy. How many likes do we have? All right, we have very few likes. Go ahead and smash the like button, people. Go ahead and smash it now. Support me. Support the channel. Now what? It's gonna be like 18,800 or something like that. 400. It's almost 16 GMT, so some pairs are starting to close. This one I wouldn't enter. Too many times it has gone, you know, outside, not respected. This one has been respected more. So, shoot. If it drops a little bit more, I'm going to enter. Why isn't it moving? The Keltner, I set it up with multiplier 2. Then everything else is pretty much default. All right, looks like we're going to have an opportunity, but you know, all of these opportunities of today, they haven't worked at all. I don't know why. Well, I mean, markets, that's just not respected. It happens sometimes. Yeah. Yeah, this one looks better. I think it might jump a little bit more, but I just entered the first risky trade. We'll see what happens. If it gets red, then I'm going to come back and see more entries. Yeah, it's a continuous trend. I wouldn't go there. Plus the payout is crap. Same here. All JPY pairs are pretty much doing the exact same thing, the continuous trending up. So yeah, even USD JPY, it's likely less. AUD USD going down. Yeah, we might catch an entry, I'm not sure. And this is the problem with this strategy, that right now, since it's 16 GMT, the pairs are starting to actually slow down. And what happens there is that we have less entry opportunities. You know what I mean? All right, here we have a good entry, and also we have a nice resistance going on. I don't know if it's going to be respected though, but we got to play hard, man. Honestly, I don't think we're going to have more options within the next 10 minutes. So I think this is the pair. Whether we lose a bunch of money or we make a bunch of money, that's it. I'm going in. You know that I do this sometimes. You don't have to. You don't have to do the exact same thing, but you know what I mean. One red big candle and we pretty much are good, but it's not happening. I'm willing to even go to 10 grand. That's how aggressive I'm gonna be for the last. Oh shoot, what's going on, man? Really? Nah. We're done. Even if I win 4 or 5, we're still gonna be in a loss. Yeah, this is not a good day to trade. I don't blame the market though. Don't get me wrong. It's just, it happens sometimes. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Yeah, this price is not gonna drop. I mean, come on. Look at the RSI. I don't think we're gonna have another chance. Take a look at this thing. I mean, all JPY pairs. So yeah, look at this. All right. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna win something here. I mean, the price, it is going to drop. I'm just not sure when. And yeah, no, my emotions are good. No worries. And yeah, I'm willing to go to 10 grand because in the end, I can take those 10 grand tomorrow and bring it out up again to 20 grand. That's okay. Yeah, it's an uptrend and it's crazy. It's not even a normal trend. Something's going on. In the news, there's nothing going on. It's just, I don't know. All right. Can see how much you have in emotional control. Any tips? Well, the thing is that you have to be willing. You know exactly at the beginning of your session, you should be like, you should know how much you're willing to lose. For instance, myself, I've been trading. There was one session I remember. I think it was like 2 years ago or something like that. When I lost 20 grand. And I remember that in the comment section, people were like, well, I mean, crazy. And I was like, yeah, I mean, but I had that willingness to actually lose that. Not because, I don't know, people would say it's just because you don't care. No, it's not about that. But I have many other trading accounts, not just this one. I have funded accounts and stuff. And in the end, what I'm looking at is I'm a little bit more aggressive as a trader. All right, so some people might be conservative, and that's fine. And I teach you conservative waves as well. But yeah, that's just the way I do sometimes. I'm still looking for it. Julie Boy, over trading. Yeah, you can call it that. And if you over trading basically is when you are trading against your emotions. All right. So if you're trading against your emotions and you're like, I don't care because I'm, devastated or something like that, then yeah, you're trading against your emotions. That's over trading. But when you're pretty much willing to lose it, it's just another session. Honestly, this session could have been 10 grand in profit or 10 grand in loss. It happens, made profit over 400% with support and resistance. That's good. 2.5% increase. VCAS, it's been a while, man. How you doing? And yeah, good job. What is my RSI and stochastic? Stochastic is 14.33 and RSI is moving average of 14. I still have 5 minutes, so I may just risk a little bit more. And then you're going to see, I'm going to record my sessions probably tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. And you're going to realize that I recover this. All right. Even when I actually have some trading sessions and I record them, I actually don't do that well because I'm talking. But when I don't talk, when I'm just trading on my own, doing my thing, I get better results. So it's fine. Look at this. It's like the system pretty much knows when I'm placing positions and goes against the trend. I don't want to say it's weird, but sometimes it happens. Where do you read the news? I go to economic calendar and actually is investing.com right here, investing.com. And then you go to, where is it? News. And then you go to economic calendar. You click on it and pretty much it. You just need to choose your right hour, okay? Don't get mislead because right now this is my local time, but sometimes you're gonna get another time. So try to choose your local time, and then you're gonna see this all the news of the day. Today there were news at 6:30, 8:30. Right now is 9:56. So yeah. Julie Boy, I'm gonna have to silence you and give you a recommendation. Start your own YouTube channel because you're too smart. You're definitely smarter than everyone in the world. Obviously, I'm being sarcastic, right? But yeah, you Bollinger Band, my friend. No, this is Keltner Channel. Keltner Channel, multiplier 2. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys 3 more minutes, like to answer some questions, and then we're just gonna finish with the streaming. Didn't go well. Honestly, I don't care, and I'm gonna recover tomorrow. I think you don't focus while streaming. Honestly, no. Bowling bears, we don't have Bollinger Bands, all right? The charts are against you. I mean, take a look at the trades where I didn't enter. When win. But take a look at the ones that I entered. I don't want to say it's weird. I don't think so. It's just, it happens one day. Hidden news plan. Maybe something happened with the JP1 because the JP1 is the one that actually get valued. No, 2000. Take care. POF. Anyone has something to say to Julie Boy? Yeah, I do remember you because do you use price action and just combination of indicators? Just combination of indicators with this strategy. Yeah, the emotion is the most important thing. It's fine. I mean, I lost. Even if I kept on entering on this trade, take a look. It just didn't work. But if you notice some other videos, you're going to realize that it did work. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to record another session just like to show you what happened in a day that it does work. And you're going to realize that. All right. All right. So I got to go, people. I got a meeting. So I do appreciate that you guys were here. And I'm not sure when I'm going to have a new streaming. Most likely it's going to be next week. Because on Friday, I usually don't trade. And the next free day that I have, I think it's on Friday. So yeah, maybe Monday or Tuesday, something like that. I'm going to have a session. So what time do you set your trade? A New York session. You're welcome. All right. Thank you very much for being here, people. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.